Today, I want to share with you a little secret from every household kitchen, something you've probably used daily but never realized could transform your health. Baking soda. Did you know that over 80% of baking soda users are unaware of its incredible health benefits? For just pennies per use, this humble white powder can address 13 health issues, from improving oral health and relieving joint pain to supporting treatment for more serious conditions. Imagine this: a cheap, readily available ingredient hiding powers that even medical experts find astonishing. Are you ready to explore? If you're watching this video, drop a 1 in the comments to let me know you're with me. If you're not convinced yet, leave a 0. I bet by the end of this video, you'll change your mind. Oh, and don't forget to tell me where you're watching from: Vietnam, the US, Australia, or somewhere else in the world. Leave your country in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. All right, let's dive into the journey of discovering the power of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is more than just a baking or cleaning ingredient. It's a natural alkaline substance that can neutralize acids in the body and on the skin. For centuries, people have used baking soda for beauty, healing, and health improvement. But why do so few today know its true potential? Think about it. Every time you grab baking soda to bake a cake or clean your fridge, have you ever considered it could help relieve pain, boost health, or even treat disease? Today, I'll guide you through 13 health benefits of baking soda, backed by science and real-world experience. More importantly, I'll explain them from a doctor's perspective so you can use it safely and effectively. Benefit 1: supports body detoxification. We live in a world full of toxins, from polluted air and processed foods to daily stress. Your body works tirelessly to eliminate harmful substances, but sometimes it needs a little help. Baking soda can be a wonderful ally in this process. When dissolved in water, baking soda creates an alkaline environment, helping to neutralize acids in the body. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. This is especially helpful for those with kidney issues, but even healthy individuals can benefit. How to use: mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning. If you have a skin condition, soak in a bath with 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to soothe the skin, reduce itching, and feel relaxed. But remember, use small doses and don't overdo it, as baking soda contains sodium, which can cause issues if used excessively. Who doesn't want a radiant smile? Baking soda is one of the best natural ingredients for whitening teeth and keeping your breath fresh. With its mild abrasive properties, it removes stains from coffee, tea, or tobacco without damaging enamel if used correctly. Moreover, baking soda's alkaline nature neutralizes acids in the mouth, the culprits behind cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. A study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry showed that toothpaste containing baking soda was significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth than non-baking soda toothpaste. How to use: mix a pinch of baking soda with water to form a paste, then gently brush your teeth 2 to 3 times a week. Don't scrub too hard, and always use a soft, bristled toothbrush to protect enamel. You'll be amazed at how much brighter your smile looks after just a few uses. Benefit 3: relieves heartburn and indigestion. If you've ever experienced heartburn after a heavy meal, you know how uncomfortable it can be when your stomach protests. Baking soda is a quick, affordable solution to soothe heartburn. As an alkaline substance, it neutralizes stomach acid, instantly relieving the burning sensation in the esophagus. A review in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology confirms that sodium bicarbonate is an effective antacid, particularly for occasional heartburn. How to use: mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink slowly. Do this no more than 1 to 2 times a day and only when needed. Note, if you have persistent heartburn, see a doctor, as it could signal a more serious issue like acid reflux. We've covered the first 3 benefits, but baking soda has even more surprises in store. Stick with me to learn how it reduces inflammation, supports infection treatment, and even boosts exercise performance. Continue with benefit 4, antifungal properties. Skin fungal infections, like athlete's foot or ringworm, can make you feel self-conscious. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment on the skin, weakening fungi and relieving itching. A study in the Journal of Mycopathology found that a baking soda solution inhibited 80% of the fungal strains tested. How to use: mix baking soda with water to form a paste, apply to the affected area, leave for 10 minutes, and rinse off. Repeat 1 to 2 times daily for a few days. Benefit 5, relieves urinary tract infection, UTI, symptoms. UTIs cause burning during urination and discomfort. Baking soda can alkalize urine, creating a less favorable environment for bacteria. A study in the Japanese Journal of Urology found that baking soda reduced pain and discomfort in women with recurrent UTIs. How to use: mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into water and drink once daily for 1 to 2 Dalton's ones. Severe UTIs require antibiotics, so consult a doctor. Canker sores make eating and drinking painful. Baking soda neutralizes mouth acids, reducing inflammation and speeding healing. A study in the Journal of the American Dental Association confirmed the effectiveness of baking soda mouth rinses. How to use: mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of warm water and rinse your mouth 2 to 3 times daily. We've explored 6 amazing benefits of baking soda, and there's 7 more waiting for you. Are you excited about baking soda? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Join me in continuing to uncover baking soda, the unsung hero of health, in the next part. Benefit 7, improves exercise performance. Did you know baking soda isn't just a kitchen helper, but also a secret weapon for athletes? During high-intensity exercise, muscles produce lactic acid, causing that burning sensation and fatigue. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural buffer, neutralizing this acid so you can train harder and longer. A meta-analysis in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly improved performance in high-intensity, short-duration exercises like sprinting, cycling, or swimming. Athletes using baking soda delayed fatigue and maintained peak performance longer. How to use: mix 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into 500 milliliters of water and drink 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. Start with a small dose to avoid stomach upset and consult a doctor if you have health concerns. Want to level up your workouts? Give baking soda a try. You'll be amazed. Benefit 8, supports kidney function. For those with chronic kidney disease, baking soda can be a valuable ally. Kidney disease often leads to metabolic acidosis, where blood becomes too acidic because the kidneys can't remove acid effectively. Baking soda neutralizes blood acid, easing the strain on kidneys and slowing disease progression. A landmark study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that chronic kidney disease patients taking daily sodium bicarbonate had significantly slower kidney function decline. The baking soda group also had a lower risk of needing dialysis or developing end-stage renal disease. How to use: baking soda dosage for kidney disease must be prescribed by a doctor, often as tablets or solution. Don't self-medicate, as excess sodium can cause fluid retention or high blood pressure. If you or a loved one has kidney disease, talk to your doctor about whether baking soda is suitable. Benefit 9, relieves arthritis joint pain. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, can cause pain and stiffness that make daily life challenging. But did you know baking soda might help reduce inflammation and improve comfort? A 2018 study in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking a daily baking soda solution triggered the body's natural anti-inflammatory response. It balanced the immune system, reducing inflammatory markers, which ease joint pain and swelling. How to use: mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water, Drink daily for 1 to 2 weeks, then take a break. Always consult a doctor, especially if you're on anti-inflammatory medications. Baking soda could be a simple, natural way to regain comfort in every step. Benefit 10 manages gout symptoms. Gout, a painful form of arthritis, is caused by uric acid buildup forming crystals in joints, often the big toe. Baking soda's alkaline nature can neutralize uric acid in the blood, reducing crystal formation and easing gout pain. A study in the Journal of Arthritis and Rheumatism showed that sodium bicarbonate helps dissolve uric acid crystals and promotes their excretion through urine, relieving acute gout symptoms. How to use. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink during a gout flare-up. Use for only a few days and consult a doctor, as gout requires comprehensive management. Baking soda can be a temporary lifesaver to get you through the pain. When cold and flu season hits, a sore throat and stuffy nose can be miserable. Baking soda can help you feel better by alkalizing and breaking down mucus. A study in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that gargling with a baking soda solution significantly reduced bacteria and viruses in the mouth, soothing sore throats and aiding faster recovery. It also loosens mucus, making breathing easier. How to use. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of warm water and gargle 2 to 3 times daily. You can also add baking soda to saline nasal rinses to clear congestion. This simple, effective trick will help you breeze through cold season. Benefit 12, supports cancer treatment potential. It may sound surprising, but baking soda is being studied as a potential aid in cancer treatment. Acidic environments around tumors can promote cancer cell growth and resistance to treatments. Baking soda's alkalizing properties may reduce this acidity, enhancing chemotherapy effectiveness. A 2009 study in cancer research found that injecting sodium bicarbonate into mice with metastatic breast cancer reduced tumor acidity, slowed cancer spread, and increased tumor sensitivity to chemotherapy. However, this is early research, and human trials are needed before recommendations can be made. Note, baking soda is not a cancer cure. If you or a loved one is undergoing cancer treatment, consult your medical team before trying any supplements. It's exciting to know baking soda is opening new possibilities, though, isn't it? Finally, baking soda is a fantastic natural deodorant, a perfect alternative to chemical-laden products. It neutralizes acids in sweat, absorbs moisture, and prevents odor-causing bacteria from thriving. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology confirmed that topically applied sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor. Its alkaline properties neutralize bacteria-produced acids, and it's free of aluminum, parabens, and artificial fragrances, making it ideal for sensitive skin. How to use. Sprinkle a pinch of baking soda under your arms or mix with coconut oil for added hydration. You'll feel fresh and confident all day, even in hot weather or during workouts, without expensive products. While baking soda offers many benefits, it's not safe for everyone to use freely. Those with kidney disease, high blood pressure, or stomach issues like ulcers or acid reflux should be especially cautious, as baking soda's sodium content can cause fluid retention or worsen conditions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and those with allergies should consult a doctor before use. Avoid inhaling baking soda powder, as it can irritate airways. Above all, moderation is key. If you have any health conditions, check with a doctor before incorporating baking soda into your routine. And there you have it. We've uncovered 13 incredible health benefits of baking soda, from whitening teeth and easing joint pain to supporting treatment for serious conditions. The best part? You can find this hero right in your kitchen for just pennies. Have you tried baking soda for any of these purposes? Got a tip to share? Drop your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Keep taking care of your health. You deserve a strong body and a vibrant life. See you in the next video.